Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing accounts. Open Google Analytics and copy the GA4 measurement ID. Keep your WordPress admin ready. Install a proven analytics plugin or prepare to edit header. PHP. This is the first actionable step because it determines workflow. Choose plugin for automatic updates and simplified consent handling. Choose manual tag insertion if you need precise script placement or refuse extra plugins. Once done, pause and verify the measurement ID matches exactly, because a single character error prevents data collection. Now you implement tracking. If using a plugin, install and activate it, then paste the GA4 measurement ID into the designated field and enable enhanced measurement so Google collects page views, scrolls, and outbound clicks automatically. If editing code, add the G tag. JS snippet into header. PHP of a child theme before the closing head tag so updates won't overwrite changes. Make sure to clear caches after either method, because cached pages can delay or block the first hits reaching your property. To finish, verify data flow. Open Google Analytics real-time and debug view while you visit the site to confirm events arrive within minutes. If you see nothing, clear your browser cache, disable ad blockers, and recheck the measurement ID and exact tag placement. Small typos break the link. If problems persist, disable other plugins to rule out conflicts, review PHP errors and logs, and inspect server-side caching or security rules that might strip scripts. Once fixed, retest to confirm continuous data collection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.